Okay, so that's fun. We were just going for a drive, trying to record some content, and as a result of that, with that small pull we did, the charge pipe actually broke off completely. So as you can see here, it just snapped at the coupler. It's kind of just like fully destroyed. The plastic bit came off, and I guess that's a good reason as to why you always want to change out your plastic charge pipes. Not sure why BMW cheaps out on these M cars from the factory with that, but common issue and something we'll have to fix now. So I actually see the little plastic piece that broke off from the charge pipe. I'm gonna go in and just try to see if I can grab it, just to clear out the engine bay. So it's a little bit of a tight fit, but I'm gonna do my best to see if I can grab it. There it is. So that's the piece that broke off from the coupler. If I just set that aside over here, you can see it broke off from the bottom of the charge pipe. It's a little bit hard to see here because it's so dark. But yeah, always make sure you change out your plastic components, man. They don't belong in the engine. Just a little bit of pressure caused this break. Crazy. At least it's a nice and quiet neighborhood. So the tow truck is now here. Perfect way to end the day. Let's go. So the second driver now arrived. Hopefully this guy can get us to our destination. And the car has been sitting here for 2 hours now. So as unfortunate as this turn of events has been, honestly I think I lucked out in terms of location, because it's been super quiet here, and that honestly just makes this so much easier for the tow truck driver. So we just got the boards down. Hopefully the front lip clears the truck bed now, and we'll be on our way to drop it off at the shop. So we're just doing this step by step, stacking the boards to adjust for the slope.